Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Medic Nemenium, a year 1 medical student, and today we are going to be looking at how I actually passed my JAMB without studying everything. And fun fact, I still hit 310. I know it's small, but actually it's something. Now if you want to replicate the same thing, pay close attention to it. So fun fact, I didn't even use the syllabus. When I saw it, I looked at it and I didn't make good use of it. Fun fact, I still got what I wanted. Now this was not because I'm too accurate or something, but I followed this specific pattern, and if you actually follow that same pattern, you're actually going to hit higher than me. Now I'm going to be giving you guys 4 points, which is actually going to help you to score high in JAMB without finishing the syllabus. Now the first one, the most famous, is focusing on the most repeated topics. Now this is very, very useful. I didn't use syllabus, but I could tell that this topic was actually going to come out without no person coming to meet me and tell you this particular topic is going to come out. I just knew it will come out because I followed patterns, and which was doing studying repeated topics. Do you get me? So now that is all. If you do that, you already have an edge. Moving on. Now the second one I'm going to be telling you is very, very important in your JAMB. Don't ever use big textbooks, for God's sake. If you know you can't be able to cover the syllabus at this point, you're not even supposed to be using textbooks. You're supposed to have stopped reading and doing answering past questions. So concise textbooks and past questions is very, very important, very, very essential at this point in time. Okay, so that is one of the things you're going to be doing. Now the third one you are very familiar with is time management. It's very, very important that you manage your time. Don't be lost in the equation and you forget the fact that time is running. Be conscious of your time. Be very, very conscious of your time. Make sure you don't spend more than 1 minute in a particular question. The last but not the least, the most interesting, the most useful is smart elimination of options. Now for the fact you were giving options, you are always giving 4 options, and now there is a simple thing you actually do. Look for the most off options, and there will always be 2 off options in a particular option. You are always going to see 2 off. They can be related. Slash them out. Now you are left with 2, which I usually like. Those 2 you have to watch. That is why it's very important that you read. Now even if you didn't read everything, you read something, you will have a clue, and that is an edge for you to pass your exam. Okay, now guys, with these few points, don't try to know everything. Just know the one that matters, the one most essential. You don't have to read the full textbook to pass. You just have to read the one that is going to pop up. And trust me, JAMB has a pattern. They are not just setting random. They always have this specific topic they want you to read. Now, following these instructions, trust me, you're already ahead. Okay, so guys, if you are here for the first time,